Number 5. How to blend to football clips in CapCut PC, used for highlight reactions. One clip showing a goal mouth moment and the other crowd reaction. This tutorial is how to blend to football video clips, 2 views on the same action. To start, click Create Project. Then import your video clip or clips if you are blending to videos. For this tutorial, I will be using one video clip cut into 2 clips. Once the video is on the timeline, crop it to remove the logo and scoreboard to avoid copyright issues. Once you are done cropping, scale the video like this. Now, select and cut the part of the video where Kevin missed the goal and the part that shows the fans' reaction. Once you have the 2 clips, drag the clip of the fans' reaction to the top as an overlay. Place it so that the fans' reaction begins where Kevin missed the shot. Then, while the upper clip is selected, go to Video, Basic and Blend. Adjust the opacity so that you can see both clips. Now, position both clips in such a way that the missed shot and the fans' reaction are visible. That is all. Please like and subscribe so that the channel can grow. Thanks.